Sometimes you get scuff marks on a painted surface, but repainting the whole thing is too big of a project. If the paint layer is thick enough, you can simply buff out the scratches and bring the railing finish back to life. First, you'll need nylon sanding pads of various grades, a spray bottle of water, and a clean rag. If you're working with a semi-gloss or gloss finish, you'll also need polishing compound, the same type you'd use on your car. Using your lowest grade sanding pad, apply light pressure, only enough to remove the deepest parts of the scratch. It'll look worse at this stage, but don't worry. Move to your medium grade sanding pad and go over the buffed areas once again to start the shining process. Then switch to your fine grade pad. Once you're done, check the finish. If it's still dull, use your spray bottle to lubricate the surface with plain water and go over it again with the same fine pad. Dry the surface completely and take another look. If the finish is still duller than the surrounding paint, you'll need this next step. Rub your polishing compound into the dull areas with a clean rag to increase the shine. In the end, without using any paint, your scratched railings are as good as new.